Hey guys, subscribe for daily knife content. And if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing, or unpackaging rather, to share with you guys. I know exactly what's in here because I ordered this. It's something that I feel like I need again. It'll be linked right down in the description, but we'll get into it here in a sec. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. You can find a link for my Patreon right down in the description. And please, make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. All right, let's go ahead and get in here. I'm pretty excited about this. I don't say I purchased a ton of stuff for myself, but periodically I do. Is there anything else in here? Nope. Okay. So, yeah, we got more packaging here. There we go. Scalpel ever sharp. I know that that's really been making a lot of people happy in my comment section lately. You need to sharpen that again. Or wait, you guys sound like me. You need to sharpen that again. Right? That's how I usually imitate you guys. So this is a God bless America Fort Knox packaging here. Okay, so this is a Leatherman multi-tool. Let me turn my exposure up just a little bit. A long time ago, I had a Surge, and I liked it, but it was huge, and truthfully, it was kind of overkill. And at the time, I was kind of like, I'm not using this a whole lot, and so I ended up selling. I think it went to a patron. Here lately, I've really been kind of out of frustration reaching for some type of tool or digging around down here, not really being. I keep all of my main tools out in the garage or in my truck, and so I thought, you know what? I think I need to get myself a Leatherman again. This is a Leatherman Wave Plus, I guess. This is kind of like the PM2 of multi-tools. This has remained incredibly popular over the years. It's, remained, as far as I can tell, this is one of the go-to multi-tools. And so I thought, what a great excuse to go ahead and pick one up. Now, this has a ton of tools. At some point, I'll do a review of this and talk about it a little bit more, but it's got a... So, this is an unboxing and first impressions, guys. That means I've never handled this before, so this is all discovery for me. And if there's some sort of... Oh, is there a release right here, and then you release it, and then you pull? Oh my God, I'm going to end up cutting myself. How does this release? So stupid. I don't know. There's a bunch of tools in here, and I want to show them to you guys, but okay. So there we go. Looks like we've got the file out. And then at some point, I would imagine that I would be able to get the knife out, but there's... Do I need to read the instructions on camera? Is this fun for you guys to watch? Here's the saw. Great. I know that there's also... Yeah, there's a whole bunch back here. A bunch of little things right there. Look at there. Scissors, okay. And then we have... Looks like maybe the flathead. Sorry. How long has this not been on camera? Have I been just like holding it underneath the camera? Looks like there's the Phillips head right here, and then there's a can opener, a bottle opener, and there's another couple of things here that I think might be locked in place, but I'm not sure how to release them. In any case, I'm sure I will figure this out. I'm going to link this guy right down below. Now, like I said, as far as I know, this is like the go-to multi-tool. This is the one that everybody recommends. They're about $100, maybe $110, something like that. They are, my Leatherman Surge was very well made. It was super durable. I liked it. It was just gigantic, and like I said, I wasn't using it very much. This apparently comes with a little pouch. I don't know. Honestly, I don't know how often I'll use this, but there you go. If you're somebody who likes to carry this stuff in a pouch, this is their 25-year anniversary. Neato. The box is a box. I mean, whatever. Do you guys care about the box? Anyways, this does look cool. Honestly, it just looks like exactly what I'd expect as far as a multi-tool. And it's just something that I might periodically need down here or somewhere else. It seems like something that's kind of blasphemy not to own, considering what I do And considering, you know, the house that we live in is, it is a project. We bought our house as kind of a semi-project home, so there are other little projects, including finishing the basement and continuing to add on and do things outside. This is probably something that's going to find its place in my life, you know, here in the next couple of years as those types of things become more frequent around here. So this is cool. I'm going to go ahead and put these things back. I feel like this is a knife channel. Like, am I really not going to get the knife out? Okay, I got the freaking blade out. Why was that so hard? Okay, so it is a locking blade. And truthfully, guys, I don't think the blade is made out of anything special, but that's fine. I don't know if you're familiar with my channel, but I have a bajillion knives laying around. So if this isn't made out of anything special, that's fine. I've got lots of others that are. It is a locking blade. Yeah, apparently the first time it comes out, you just have to fight it a little bit. It was that little tab right there. But anyways, there's the lock. So we've got a little blade. That's cool, and you can get it out with one hand now, apparently. So this other side is, I think yeah, okay, so it's the saw blade. So apparently I just needed to move it that way a little bit. And now does it come out easily? Okay, yeah, it does. So yeah, this is neat, and I think it has the detachable, yeah, wire cutters and strippers and all that. So that's cool. This is more the size of multi-tool that I feel like I'm used to. The Surge was, I want to say the Surge was at least 20% bigger, and it was huge and thick and just seemed kind of unnecessary. This is a good size. I like this so far. I'm pretty happy with this. Everything feels solid. Yeah, I think this will be put to good use on my channel. So anyways, guys, that's about it. I don't know that there's anything else that I really need to share in this video. Like I said, you can pick this up right down in the description. I will also link Leatherman products in general, because there are a lot of really highly recommendable Leatherman multi-tools that are available. Not that I've handled all of them, but we do have a dealer here in town who carries a lot of them, and I've handled a bunch of them. They all seem to be, for the most part, pretty high quality. They can be kind of pricey, but, you know, if you look around on the internet, from what I can tell, these things last essentially forever. Unless, of course, you're doing something stupid with them. So, take a look at the links I've got down below. Pick yourself up one of the models if you're interested. Expect a review of this guy probably down the road after I've used it a bit. But yeah, I'm pretty excited about this. Anyways, thanks so much for watching. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like. So check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.